Hey guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Minds. My name is Ben, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about uptrends. And what are uptrends? How are we looking for uptrends? And why do you want to enter your stock position on an uptrend? So as you see here, this is a very simple version of an uptrend. Every move up, we're going to call it a bull move. And it leads to a small move down where we call it consolidation or a bear move. It's very clear that the bulls are in control of this chart and in an uptrend and moving the chart and stock price action higher and higher. So if you look here, here's a couple more examples of an uptrend. And you see here where the bulls have stronger strength than the bears. So what does this mean for you? These are the charts and tickers that you want to focus your attention on and also put your money into, because these charts are showing a strong sign of an uptrend and increasing in price. So let's say you even enter at a top of a move, and because it's a uptrend, there's a less likely chance of you losing money, and there's also a higher chance that the price will climb to, if not beyond, your price of entry. However, if you want to enter a position, even on an uptrend, you want to catch it at the consolidation bear move. So if you look at this chart, you want to enter at this position right here, which is the best place you can enter. However, that's a very difficult thing to do, and because you don't know where the bottom of this consolidation move could end up to be. So the next best move is to enter here, where there's a base of support at the bottom of a consolidation move. Sometimes it likes to test this support multiple times. Usually there's a double bottom or a triple bottom before going back up onto a bull move. At this point is where you can enter your trade and set a stop loss, meaning that you will automatically sell your shares if it goes below this support level. This way, you are entering with low risk and the possibility of getting a high reward, as if the uptrend takes another leg up on a bull move, your shares are in almost the entire move. One thing to remember is that there are very many different time frames on a stock chart. You could be looking at a chart that is a representation of 1 minute of moves, or 5 minutes, or 1 hour, or even weekly if not monthly and yearly charts. So just remember that even if there is a 5-minute uptrend, doesn't mean that it is on an hourly uptrend or a daily uptrend. So it's always important to look at the longer term time frames, because the more uptrends you have on different time frames, the better of a chance you have on making a winning trade or winning investment. For example, if you're just holding your shares for minutes, then you might still want to look at the 1 hour time frame to see if that's in an uptrend, because if that is, then that gives you more evidence that your trade is in a better winning situation. Let's say you plan on holding something for a couple of days. Maybe you want to look at the weekly or monthly trends to see if that's in an uptrend, and that way it'll give you a better chance of winning and lower your risk. So this is just a super quick run through of what an uptrend is. If you're interested in wanting to know more, make sure you leave a comment below and tell me, what are you looking for when you're looking at an uptrend, and where do you enter your positions? Make sure you tell me in the comments below, and like my videos, hit that notification button, and subscribe to this channel for more extreme, entertaining financial videos. And we'll see you next time.